In the vast, uncharted reaches of our universe, few stars capture the imagination quite like Betelgeuse. Situated in the constellation of Orion, this immense red supergiant has fascinated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. It's a stellar behemoth that commands attention not only because of its enormous size, estimated to be around 764 times the size of our Sun, but also due to the intrigue surrounding its eventual fate. Betelgeuse's future is a cosmic time bomb, and its imminent explosion could have profound implications for our understanding of the life cycle of stars. Over the years, Betelgeuse has been a source of wonder and mystery, particularly due to its unpredictable changes in brightness. The star's pulsations are not only a testament to its size but also a clue to the tumultuous processes happening deep within it. The most notable event occurred in 2019, when Betelgeuse's brightness dropped dramatically, an event that sparked a wave of speculation across the scientific community and the public alike. Dubbed the Great Dimming, this phenomenon led many to wonder, was Betelgeuse on the verge of a supernova? Could this be the beginning of the end for one of the most famous stars in our night sky? Scientists quickly turned their attention to this dimming event, using some of the most advanced instruments in existence, including the iconic Hubble Space Telescope. Among the team of astronomers involved in the investigation was Andrea Dupree from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. They had a singular goal: to determine whether Betelgeuse's dimming was a temporary glitch in its life cycle or a harbinger of a far more dramatic fate. After extensive observation, they discovered that the dimming was most likely caused by a massive ejection of material from Betelgeuse's surface. This ejection sent a dense cloud of dust into space, momentarily blocking the star's light and obscuring its normally brilliant shine. However, while this event provided some clarity, it also deepened the mystery surrounding Betelgeuse's future. Betelgeuse is now in the final stages of its life, nearing the end of its time as a red supergiant. This phase of a star's life is both its most magnificent and volatile. The star has long ago exhausted the supply of hydrogen in its core and is now fusing heavier elements, such as helium and carbon. As this process continues, Betelgeuse is undergoing significant changes. Its core is contracting under the weight of its own gravity, causing it to heat up, while its outer layers are expanding and cooling. This causes Betelgeuse to grow larger and larger over time, eventually reaching a size where it becomes unstable. This instability is what drives the dramatic mass ejections we've observed in recent years. While it's natural for red supergiants to lose mass in these kinds of explosive outbursts, Betelgeuse's recent dimming event raised more questions than answers. Some astronomers initially suggested that the star's brightness loss might be a precursor to an impending supernova. A supernova is a catastrophic explosion marking the end of a star's life, one of the most spectacular events in the universe. Others believed the dimming could be caused by a large patch of dark matter on the surface of the star, formed after a violent eruption that threw vast amounts of hot, red material into space. As data continued to pour in, the evidence seemed to favor the idea that the dimming event was caused by a huge dark spot on the star's surface, a result of massive, explosive ejections. But the star's future is still uncertain. The ejection of material wasn't just a minor fluke. It was an event on an extraordinary scale, suggesting that Betelgeuse might be at the brink of a final, dramatic transformation. Some researchers now believe that Betelgeuse could soon be heading toward its supernova, potentially much sooner than originally thought. Rather than lingering for thousands of years, Betelgeuse might only have a few decades left before its explosive demise. Adding to the intrigue is a recently observed supernova, SN 2023, located in the Messier 101 galaxy. Discovered in May 2023, SN 2023 is a newly exploded star that's been radiating an enormous amount of light, offering scientists a rare glimpse into the process of stellar death. Its sudden and dramatic increase in brightness is eerily reminiscent of what Betelgeuse's supernova might look like. The shockwave interactions and the detailed emissions from SN 2023 provide valuable insight into the behavior of stars like Betelgeuse in their final moments. This discovery only deepens the mystery surrounding Betelgeuse, offering astronomers a unique opportunity to study the forces at play when a star reaches the end of its life. So, what does the future hold for Betelgeuse? While the evidence continues to accumulate, one thing is clear. Betelgeuse is racing toward a cataclysmic end. Whether it's a series of violent ejections or an all-out supernova explosion, Betelgeuse is surely preparing for a spectacular finale. The star's erratic behavior, combined with recent discoveries, suggests that its death may be closer than we ever imagined. For astronomers, Betelgeuse's imminent explosion represents both an extraordinary scientific opportunity and a reminder of the fleeting nature of the stars we see in our night sky. The day Betelgeuse does finally go supernova, it will light up the heavens in a blaze of glory, visible even from Earth. A cosmic spectacle unlike any other, and a testament to the magnificent, albeit brief, lives of the stars that shape our universe.